Hey guys, wanna know how to add green screen as a background in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have Filmora opened. And once you're there, in order to add green screen, you can either go to stock media or effects. For now, I'll just select stock media. And now, you need to search for green screen or you can just find it right here. For me, it's right here. If you don't find it, you can just simply search for green screen. And there you have it. Now you can just download it and drag and drop it to the timeline right here. Here in the stock media tab, you can also see various other green screen effects. You can add those as well. That's it. New green screen has been added. Now you can add other elements or foreground elements going to stickers and then importing anything that you like. I'll just import this right here and make sure it's above the green screen effect. And there you have it. Green screen has been successfully added, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.